So, hi, I'm Ali Ors with NXP Semiconductors Automotive Group in the ADAS and AV product line. And today we'll be at Embedded Vision Summit 2018. We'll be showing our demos on the S32V234 automotive vision processor device. And one of the demos that we're showing is a multi-object detection demo running at real time on an embedded platform, running up to 24 frames per second, all with a MobileNet plus SSD detection algorithm, and on a fixed point, 8-bit fixed point processor that still maintains the same accuracy that you would get from floating point GPU level processing device. And we're running it on a simulator setup where the simulator video is feeding into the S32V and being annotated with the detection of up to 80 classes of different automotive-related devices as cars, pedestrians, cyclists, and traffic lights driving into the autonomous driving application space. For more information, you can always visit us at nxp.com, and thank you for watching.